Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here underneath my Wi-Fi with the Radclo Drone and controller, and I'm going to hit the I. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to forget my device, forget this network. I'm going to go into the application, and I'm going to go to the Radclo, long press, and remove it. Now everything is off. I'm going to just shut everything down. I may just change out the battery. My battery may be a little weak. I'm not sure. And the battery's right here. We're ready to start over. I'm using an iPhone 12 iOS device. Here in the instruction guide, you need to have this code, this QR symbol. At any given time, please pause the video now. And when you pause the video, you're going to open up your camera. You're going to scan and you're going to take a picture. It says scan QR code below for the Radclo FPV in App Store or Google Play. It doesn't say anything about iOS. The App Store is iOS. I have mine already in backup. We're opening up. It's going to take a few seconds to open. Now I am going to install my battery. I'm going to just leave the drone like so. I think that'd be good because you can see the flashes. And open up the application. Now what you need to do is hit the get started. If you registered, you're going to have to sign in again, log in. I'm going to hit the login. I'm going to pause the video. And then when I'm at my login site, I'm going to start. I'm going to show you what to do that Radclo needs to correct, which they're not going to, of the login. I clicked on login. I could sit here and I could click on it all day long. I hit the X. The X is the login submit button. We have four things here on the bottom. You have an arrow pointing. Let's turn on our controller, turn on our drone. We're going to up, down, and we are paired. The next step is to hit the arrow going that way. Immediately it says, would like to access the camera. You must say yes. Would like to access your microphone. Yes. Would like to access your photo. Allow access to all. You can sit here all day. Nothing's going to happen. This is a screen you're going to be on. You're not connected. Like any other product on the market, like the DJI, when you use it to live stream, never going to get it to work with YouTube. It's a two-step process. Close down the application. You want to go back into your settings and into your Wi-Fi and look at your Wi-Fi. Wait till it opens up. In here, it has to refresh. How do you refresh? Do you swipe down? You see it in other networks, Radclo FPV underscore 207292. That's this drone. You may have a different number of that. You click on that. It goes into the Wi-Fi area. You're going to get a check mark. It will say no internet connection. You're good. You could click on the I. You can see the information it provides for you. You close down and open up your Radclo FPV. Now it's going to say it wants to find and connect the device to your local network. You'd notice that I'm on data out there. I'm not on my Wi-Fi. I'm not on my router. Nothing. I'm on my data of my cell carrier. I must say allow. Now I'm going to lift the drone. I'm good to go. And you can see it moving. I am going to basically close down my application and stop my recording, and I am good to go. I can reopen. I'm still on. I'm able to fly and use the phone. I could connect my phone. I don't really want to shut down my transmitter and use the phone, but you can. And there's a lot you could do with flying with that. I am connected, but it is saying, hey, where's my transmitter? You need to have your transmitter in the on position. I repaired. I'm connected again. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you in setting up your drone. If you are having trouble connecting your drone to the phone, what phone are you using that is not working? Is there a list that is compatible to this drone? For example, if you got a phone that is John Doe may not be the phone for this drone. And that is not Radclo's problem. They can only limit to the amount. So how do you find out if your phone is compatible? Well, normally when you turn on your application and it doesn't scan in, that means you can't use your phone. But it does scan in, that means your phone should be able to be used. But if you're having trouble and you cannot connect your phone whatsoever, go back and follow these steps. If it doesn't connect, then you need to connect to support. Tell them your phone, and maybe they'll get the phone into the list of the application that your phone may not be usable. Not all phones will work. I hope this video was helpful to one and all. I've shown how to disconnect, delete it all, and reconnect. Very simple. Enjoy, and thank you very much for viewing. Still post down below, because Radclo may see this video and hope they may fix your issue.